I have to say that my learning philosophy probably hasn't changed a whole lot from the beginning of the course, but what has happened is I think it's been developed and refined by the support of research from the readings that we've shared and the videos that we've watched, as well as the process of interacting with other classmates and with Ty throughout the process, and really thinking a little bit more deeply about some of the concepts that we've learned. And so the thing that I would say is probably the key takeaway is that learning is shifting, and Web 2.0 tools can help facilitate that shift. That perhaps it's always been the case that teaching and learning is an evolutionary process where things shift so that they're trying to find the best ways to build, share, and grow knowledge. But one of the things that's refreshing and exciting to me is that school, at whatever level, it's no longer necessarily a place to go or a thing to do, and it doesn't have to be punitive and grade-based. It can happen anytime and anywhere because of the affordances of Web 2.0 technologies. It can be contextual. And so it seems to me that teaching and learning, school, as it were, should be a conduit for developing skills and abilities, exploring new concepts, learning how to think critically, or teaching critical thinking skills and teaching those research skills. That school should be a safe place to learn and grow to the best of individuals' potential. That learning is really robust when it's interactive and collaborative and didactic and even iterative. That it's really exciting to think that learning can and probably should be differentiated so that diverse learners' needs can be met. That not all students have to do all things the same way in order to come to the same learning outcomes. There can be multiple options for arriving at the same end result, and in a way that really strikes and suits the needs of the learners. I also think that something that is key is that school, or whatever learning environments we find ourselves in, there should be learning environments where people have a place where they can experiment and, yes, even fail, so they can get feedback and they can grow and learn from their mistakes without it being the end of the learning experience, and instead will be the beginning of learning and growing and becoming better because of that opportunity that they had in order to experiment and even fail. So I have to say that it's an exciting time to be in education, to be in the field of teaching and learning, and I was really happy to be able to share with all of you on this journey. So thanks for listening, and perhaps we'll see each other in future semesters.
Created using Powtoon.